Hello guys, and welcome back to today's video. My name is Zig, the programming guy. In today's video guys, I want to show you how to mute someone on your TikTok live. It's very simple guys. Now if you want to do that, first step to take is to of course open your TikTok app, and then you have to click on the plus sign at the bottom of your screen to actually go live on TikTok. Now once you click on that, then you have to select the live option at the bottom of your screen again. Now click on the go live button to go live on TikTok. Takes 3 seconds. Now once you're live on TikTok, just like this, now people start joining your live just like this user. Now if you click on this user, then you get this window right here. Now if you notice at the top right corner of this window, there's this manage option. Click on the manage option, and then once you click on the manage option, you're going to get these options. The first one is report, mute, block, add a moderator, and the cancel option. Now go ahead and click on the mute to mute this user on your TikTok live. Alright, so guys, this is how you can do it. Hope this video was helpful. Give this video a like and equally subscribe to get more tips like this. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in my next video.